Under a Victorian government mandate, CitiPower and Powercor are replacing 1.1 million manually read meters during a 4-year smart meter rollout that's scheduled for completion at the end of 2013. Your smart meter has some information that can be read from its display. Let's take a look at this information, as well as some other characteristics of your new smart meter. A smart meter contains a power usage light, indicating that power is being consumed at your premises. The faster the light flashes, the more power is being used. The service port provides optical access to the smart meter. This port is sealed and should only be accessed by meter technicians. The terminal cover contains a seal to prevent tampering and protect the integrity of your consumption data. It's an offence to remove seals or interfere with metering equipment. The button on the left is the scroll button. Each time this button is pressed, the customer can scroll through a variety of information in the display panel. The button on the right enables the hot water boost function, explained later in this presentation. In its default state, the display panel will automatically scroll through each display after 5 seconds. These include displays for 01, 02, 03, 05, 07 and 88. Please note there are no displays for 04 or 06. The local display provides total cumulative energy consumption information. However, tariff and billing values are processed by the retailer using interval data and are not displayed on the meter. When you scroll through to 01, the display will show 24-hour time in hours, minutes and seconds. The time is permanently programmed to show Australian Eastern Standard Time. For information on how this might affect your peak and off-peak times during daylight savings, please contact your electricity retailer. 02 displays the current date in day, month and year format. 03 displays the total electricity consumption at the main circuit of your premises in kilowatt hours since the initial installation of your smart meter. This circuit generally powers the lights, power points and appliances at your premises. 05 displays the cumulative total electricity delivered back into the network for those customers with solar panels or other cogeneration sources. A display value of 0 will be shown for all other customers. If you have a 2-element meter, identified by a meter code starting with 12, 07 displays the total electricity consumption of that second element or circuit in kilowatt hours since the initial installation of your smart meter. This circuit generally powers electric hot water or slab heating when measured separately on a dedicated circuit-controlled load tariff. A display value of 0 will be shown for all other customers, including those with electric hot water on a current time of use tariff and single element meter. 88 shows a test pattern to confirm that the display is showing the correct numbers. All the available LCD characters will appear on this readout. If one or more characters are not shown, please contact CitiPower and Powercor to arrange a repair. Other icons you'll see in the display include left and right arrows. These indicate the direction of energy through the meter. The left arrow indicates that energy is being exported back into the grid, and the right arrow indicates that energy is being imported from the grid to your premises. When connected is displayed, the meter is connected. Disconnected confirms that the meter is disconnected. Meters are armed for connection and disconnected using remote technology and require a request to be made through your electricity retailer. If you have off-peak water heating and run out of hot water, the meter supports a boost facility, which heats your hot water once. To enable this function, press and hold the hot water boost button on the right for 5 seconds until a countdown is completed on the display panel. When the countdown is completed, LC1 will appear on the bottom right of the display panel. Please note that electricity used to reheat your water may be charged at peak rate. We encourage you to get to know your smart meter by pressing the scroll button and familiarising yourself with the display readouts. In the near future, you'll also be able to monitor and manage your electricity consumption using devices such as in-home displays. These are the best sources of information, as the data can be processed and presented in ways that you can choose, comparing different periods, for example, or converting consumption data into cost details. For further information about your new smart meter, please refer to the reference card provided in your information pack or contact us by phone or email.